Now we are going to discuss question number 8.16, and in this question it is given to you, assuming the earth to be a sphere of uniform mass density. Clear? So let's suppose I am drawing here earth. So let's suppose this is a diagram of earth. Clear? For example, this is earth, and let's suppose we are assuming this earth as a sphere having uniform mass. So uniform mass. Fine. How much would a body weight halfway down to the center of earth? So let's suppose I am assuming this is a center O. Clear? And let's suppose initially we have a body at a surface of a earth, and after some time let's suppose we are bringing this body to a certain depth. Clear? And let's suppose I am saying this value is d. According to this question, it is given to you that this body is going halfway down to the center of earth. It means I can say this is equal to Re by 2. Clear? Now, do you know, if we are taking here this depth from surface of earth, what is value of g? What is variation of g? So variation of acceleration due to gravity due to depth, this is given by one formula, gd. Gd is given by g, we can say 1 minus d upon Re. Clear? Where d is what? D is a distance from surface of earth. Clear? So now we can write like this. This is equal to g 1 minus d. D is given to you Re by 2. Re divided by 2 multiply Re. Clear? So I can say this Re and Re, this is cancelled out. So from here we can say this is g 1 minus 1 by 2. Clear? So from here we can write like this. This is g divided by 2. Clear? So I can say gd. I can say gd. This is equal to g by 2. Clear? So now we can say what is weight. So if we multiply m with both sides, so I can say this is mgd and this is equal to mg by 2. Clear? So now we can say what is weight of a body at this position. Clear? So weight of this body at this position, this is given by 1 by 2 times of weight of a body at a surface of earth. Clear? So at a surface of earth, it is given to you this body is having 250 Newton. Clear? So from here we can write like this, 1 by 2 multiply 250, and this should be equal to 125 Newton. Clear to you? So we can say here this is a weight at a certain depth. Clear? So correct answer we have 125 Newton. Clear?